Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Liverpool and we're here because there's a Spud Bros opened up. I don't know where it is, so I'm going to find it. I've heard lots of great things about these guys, so I'm excited to see what they're up to. So let's go find it and I'll give you a shout when we get there. There's a small chance that I may be lost, but I have no idea. Let's keep going. Excuse me, I'm looking for Spud Bros. Is it around here anywhere?
Yeah, literally go down those stairs, go right, it's literally underneath the house.
Thank you very much. News update, it's just down these stairs. Also, it's beginning to rain. I've not got a coat. This could be a nightmare, this. We found it, let's go.
Let me explain myself.
Yeah, I'll bring one in.
Busy then.
I would tell that
Jack Potato place, bounced from the door.
face something I never say in between.
Okay, so there's more people behind the till now, so I presume that we're about to get going. We have been waiting here for about 30 minutes.
Rearrange. You are carrying all my burdens and put me on a different.
Hey, how you doing? I'm trying to make up my mind. What's best, the Spud Father or the cheese beans and chihuahua? We'll go for the Spud Father then, thank you.
Garlic butter and all of that.
Garlic butter sounds great, thank you.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Yeah, it sounds amazing. Busy in here today, isn't it? How long have you been open for? Is it like 2 weeks? A week and a half.
Oh, do you want cheese, yeah?
Yeah, that'd be amazing, thank you.
You gave back a smile, and since I met you, I've been.
That's my one there.
It's yours, yeah?
Yeah, it certainly is, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Spud Father, is it?
it is indeed, yeah.
Very good choice, I must say.
Very good. I'm excited, I've never tried this before.
Yeah, no, it's
I've tried Jack Potato before, I've never tried one of your Jack Potatoes before.
no, it's pretty good, I must say.
Very good.
You want the works, you want everything?
Just everything, yeah, whatever you recommend, my good man.
The crumb sauce is a little bit spicy, so I just added like nice.
Yeah,
Not too much.
sounds good.
Anything else on there, or is that you?
That's it, that's me done. Thank you very much.
Guess I'd go to your face. Something
Anything else for you today?
That's it, cheers.
Just £11 whenever you're ready, please.
you are carrying all my burdens.
Right, we've got it. I couldn't stay in there and eat it because there's like blasting music, so we have to try and find somewhere to set up in the shelter outside. Joy. Right, and this is exactly why we always bring the tripod, because there's nowhere to sit. It's packed in there and it's raining, so I found some shelter and we're going to eat it. So it's like and see how many strange looks I get, because literally this is the full setup here. So I ordered the Spud Father, which is, I think it's basically chili con carne and jack potato. So let's have a look at it. Drop my fork, that's a really good start. So first of all, it comes in like very posh packaging, doesn't it? So yeah, we like that. So let's open it up and have a quick look. God, it's awful weather today in Liverpool. Okay, well it certainly looks the part. I'm just going to unplug you a second and show you. But anyway, let's give it a go. So we've got jack potato, chili con carne, crispy onions, and some kind of sauce. So let's surrounded by drunk people all of a sudden. I'm trying to do a video, but never mind. Gotta love Liverpool. Right, here we go. Almost dropped that. Where are you guys going? Is it good? Where are you off to?
We're trying to have a car.
You have a great night. Great afternoon, night time already, Jesus. It's so far so good. I'm only one bite in. Pardon?
How much is it?
It's 11 quid.
Oh, it's
But it's got like chili and crispy onions and stuff. You call it Spud? Decent name, my good man. Take it easy. Right, back to the video. So, you've seen it. It's got jack potato. Oh, Jesus Christ. This video is just turning into a disaster. Right, so jack potato, chili con carne, some kind of spicy sauce, and crispy onions. Let's go. Let's see what we think of it. So it's definitely spicy. It's got a really nice heat to it, actually. Can't complain at that. The potatoes are really soft. Look at that for a mouthful. Oh, that is tasty. It's that sauce. So the sauce tastes like a slightly spicy Southwest sauce, you know, like the Subway do. It's really, really nice. There's absolutely no hard bits to the potato whatsoever. Yeah, this is nice. So I can understand why it's busy. It's definitely nice. And there's certainly enough of everything. Sometimes you get these things, there's not enough filling and the potatoes too dry or there's too much filling. They seem to have got the proportions spot on. It is very, very nice. But I'm a sucker for a spicy sauce. So you got to bear in mind everything I'm saying right now is going to be influenced by that sauce, which is absolutely spot on. It's not too spicy, but it's enough for a kick, which is, you know, perfect. I don't think I mentioned at the start, it's got a garlic butter on it, and you can really taste the garlic in the potato. It's lovely. So, about 2 weeks ago, I did the Subway jack potatoes, didn't I? Which I didn't rate at all. It was dry, there wasn't enough filling. It was a warmed up potato that had been pre-cut. So if that was like a 2 out of 10 on the spectrum, this is like a 9. This is very, very, very good. I can see the garlic at the bottom just swimming around, and it's very, very tasty. Look at that potato. It's just so soft. That is lovely. And the sour cream as well. The sour cream is absolutely gorgeous. So portion size, you get a lot. I mean, I've been eating for a solid, what's the time I would say? 5 minutes on the camera, and there's still 40% left. Nothing wrong with the portion size. That's where we're currently up to. As I'm eating it, I think it's a perfect combination of flavours. The potato with the garlic butter's amazing. Then you've got the chilli on top of it, which has a bit of spice. Then you've got the crunch of the crispy onions, and then you've got the spicy sauce on top. I can see why it's popular, I really can. It's like the Subway jack potatoes. I don't think I mentioned the 3 cheeses either, so they've got 3 different types of cheeses blended into this. It really is great. £11 though, and a 40-minute queue for it. Time's more precious than money, isn't it? Is it worth a 40-minute wait? Is it worth 40 minutes of my time? Let's finish up. All done. Right, I'm going to pack away my tripod, find somewhere to chuck this. I'll come back to you with my final thoughts in a second. Hold on, I forgot to mention. Serviettes in the bag. Woohoo! Okay, so final thoughts. I didn't appreciate the wait. I wasn't timing it, but it felt like somewhere between 30 minutes to 40 minutes to get the food. And they weren't serving anybody, so they were just cooking the jack potatoes in the cookers behind them. So that wasn't great. But I guess if they're getting unprecedented demand, it's not really their fault. Because there was a queue out the door. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt on that one. Part of me thought they do it on purpose to cause queues so everybody wants to like join in and think it's great. I don't know. I don't think they were. But once we got in there, the staff were lovely, they were having a good time, and the jack potato was actually really, really nice. I've already described to you the makeup of the jack potato, and I think it's a really good combination, especially if you like really spicy things like I do. Not really spicy things. You saw the chili challenge, right? I like slightly spicy things. Yeah, so it was really, really nice. I enjoyed it. Would I recommend it to you? Yes, I would. Despite the price, because it is £11. £11 dear, but I feel full. I really do feel full, and it was tasty, and I enjoyed every single mouthful. So, bit pricey, very, very tasty, very, very filling. So Spud Bros gets a thumbs up from me. If you've got one near you, check it out. And I wish the guys all the luck in the world. I just think they need more Spud cookers. Waiting in the rain's not fun for anybody. Right, that's it. That's my final thoughts. So we're going to get out of here now. I'm going to go and try and find my wife and daughter, who are, again, lost in Liverpool somewhere. Listen, if you've not seen the channel before and you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. What's the worst that can happen? It's free. If you don't like and subscribe, we may never see each other again. How could you cope with that? I couldn't cope with that, and I wouldn't want you to cope with it either. So hit the like button, hit the notification button, and let's see each other probably next week. Take it easy.